Here we go! Hold on tight! It's another world.
This 30-minute kids movie was made in less than 5 minutes using a tool called Video Inu. And I'm going to show you how to create these types of videos step by step. If you've ever tried making kids story videos consistently, you know the hardest part isn't ideas. It's keeping the same characters and style from scene to scene. That's why this video is sponsored by Video Inu. It's built for character consistency. So once you lock in the look, it stays the same across every video. You can generate a polished video from one click and one prompt, but still keep full creative control to refine and scale once you find what works. Under the hood, Video Inu runs a top-tier tech stack, including Sora 2, Gemini 3, Nano Banana Pro, and Kling, so you get high-end results without juggling tools. It also delivers one of the best price-to-performance ratios for long-form video with exports of up to 2K quality. I'll show you the exact workflow I use, and you'll see why Video Inu is the core system behind it. But before we get into the video, I just want to say that I know that AI can be complicated. It's overwhelming. It's coming at us a million miles an hour. There's always new tools and new AI news. Just so we get it, AI world. You're moving super fast. That's why I created the AI Income Weekly. It's a completely free newsletter sent to you on a weekly basis that breaks down the latest and the greatest tools, trends, and news in the AI world in a simple step-by-step fashion that normal people like you and I can understand. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description to join now. Let's get into the video. This is Video Inu. It's one of the most powerful AI generation platforms in the entire world. From a single prompt, you can create a hyper-realistic, engaging kid story in no time.
Mama? Papa? Where did the sunny grass go? I followed that pretty butterfly too far.
Got you now, little puffball.
But wait, this is where most people get this wrong. They type one prompt and expect to get a great and engaging kid story. This is why their characters are not consistent, why the story feels boring, and why nothing holds attention. If you want to sell these stories for lots of money or build an AI business around them, you have to structure the prompt properly. This isn't about writing more, it's about being very specific. So instead of guessing, I'm going to break this into 3 simple steps. If you follow these 3 steps, your characters stay consistent, your story stays engaging, and the final video actually feels professional. But real quick, by the end of this video, I'm giving away 5 free premium subscriptions to Video Inu worth around $40 a piece. To enter, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below. YouTube is not associated with this contest. Check out the rules in the description. Step number 1, lock the world. You're going to list your main character, time of day, environment, and weather. Now, include as much detail as possible and be very specific. This gives the AI very detailed instructions on keeping not only your characters consistent, but also your environment. Step number 2, control the story. This keeps the story engaging and easy to follow through story goal, tone, and pacing. Just like in step number 1, you want to be as specific as possible. And remember, AI is the boat, but you are the captain. Step number 3 is where most people mess up. Now, if you skip this step, the AI is going to give you random images. You're going to set the constraint as well as the rules. What I mean by this is that you're laying down the law. You're telling the AI exactly what to do and what not to do. But before we follow the 3 steps, we have to choose our video attributes down below. We have our video style, which allows us to choose the type of animation that we want. Next is the duration of the video. Then we can choose between landscape or portrait. And then finally, we get to choose our language. Following the 3-step rule, we enter in our prompt. Now, if you don't want to type all of this in the prompt box, later in the video, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of seconds automatically. Now, as soon as I click create, you guys are going to see the quality, the consistency, and the professional results made from Video Inu. Check this out. It's going to ask us to edit our characters next. Once we have our characters set, we can do one of 2 things. We can either preview the storyboard or we can create our entire video in one single click without editing. Let's click generate video. It's perfect. Video Inu literally allows us to do this in less than 5 minutes, making a 30-minute kid story that's extremely engaging and exciting. The characters are consistent, the story is engaging, and this is how you create an exciting kid story. The storyboard section is where you have massive control over your characters and your story. You can go scene from scene, playing the videos back. If you don't like each scene, you can always regenerate it or talk directly to the AI and tell them exactly what you want to change in each scene. Or you can regenerate them automatically. It's up to you, but you are in full control. And here's a preview of the final video.
Good morning, little cabin. Looks like it's going to be a lovely day. What a lovely way to wake up.
Benny, I need your help. I must build my new nest today.
Oh, a new nest?
Yep, it's sunny, the twigs are perfect, and I can't do it alone.
That entire 30-minute kid story was created in under 5 minutes from a single prompt. Now, this technology is not perfect, but when the prompt is structured the right way, it can generate full kid stories incredibly fast at a surprisingly high quality. The reason this one came out so good wasn't luck. It was the way the prompt was built. And once you understand the structure, the possibilities are basically unlimited. You can create personalized stories for your kids or grandchildren and make them the star of their own movie. You can customize the characters, the setting, and the entire storyline. And beyond that, you can take this exact process and turn it into a real business. The possibilities are endless. Creating custom stories for parents, families, and organizations that want something unique and memorable. And in a moment, I'm going to show you exactly how people are already selling these stories, who they sell them to, and where to find buyers like parents and community centers, and how to pitch this the right way. Here are 3 powerful ways to start making money with kids' stories and kids' movies today. The last one is my personal favorite. The first one is Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups are especially strong because there are thousands and thousands of groups with millions of members, revolving around parenting and community and single mothers and groups that teach children values and how to be strong versions of themselves. There are countless parents looking for people like you, looking for people who know how to make videos that can revolve around their children, that can make their child the star of the show. Let's do the math really quick to prove to you that this is possible and that you can start a full-time business with this. Now, there are millions of people inside these groups, people who are looking for somebody like you to create exciting, engaging kid stories for their children. Now, if you only work with 2 parents per week and you charge them $500 a piece to make their own custom kid story, that's $4,000 a month, guys. You can absolutely do this. It's 100% possible. The second way to make money is to put your services on Fiverr and Upwork. Now, if you go to Fiverr and you type in kids animated stories or kid stories, you'll notice that the majority of people who do these do it by hand. They have complicated and expensive software that animates kid stories. They usually take a week, 2 weeks, maybe a month to make. Your advantage is that 99% of the world doesn't know that this technology exists, so you can charge as much as you want or as little as you want. Your advantage is being able to make these kid stories in less than 5 minutes. That's your advantage. You can undercut the competition. Your turnaround time is extremely quick. Charge anywhere from $50 to $1,500 if you want. Whatever you think your services are worth, go on Fiverr, go on Upwork, put your services on there, charge as much as you want. The third way to make money, and my personal favorite, is to start a Faceless channel, not only on YouTube, but on TikTok and Instagram. Now, if you make videos with Video Inu, you can make short form videos, post them on YouTube, post them on TikTok and Instagram. Why do I say that? Well, I have one of the best-selling Faceless YouTube and AI courses in the entire world, and I tell all my 1,500 students the same thing. I say, you with 0 subscribers have just as much chance of getting 1 million views overnight as somebody with, let's say, 100,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers. You are one video away from having your life change completely overnight. Full stop. If you get 1 million views on one of your video on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, sponsors are going to contact you. Affiliate links, brand deals, sponsorships, merchandise sales, ad revenue. The sky's the limit with this, guys. I think most people as I'm just getting excited. I just get so excited when I talk about this. Most people underestimate the power of organic reach. I know that there's new AI tools and news coming out every day. There's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Grok, there's Nano Banana, there's Google VEO3, there's prompting. What prompt should I use? How do I make much? We get it. Oh my God, we get it, AI world. You're moving super fast, and that's okay. And that's why I created AI Income Weekly. It's a completely free newsletter that takes the latest AI trends, the most important AI news in the world, and it breaks it down in a step-by-step fashion that's easy to understand. And in the newsletter, I show you how to make money with AI for beginners. There's no complicated words, there's no tech talk. It's broken down simply for normal people like you to understand and to take action today. Whenever you join the newsletter, you're also entered for a chance to win my entire AI ecosystem, which includes 5 AI courses and my #1 best-selling Faceless YouTube course. So scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below to join now completely for free. Video Inu is your one-stop shop to create exciting and engaging kid stories and start an AI business around them. And when you sign up through the link in the description below, Video Inu is giving you 500 credits to start building your kid story business today. Also remember, I'm giving away 5 free monthly subscriptions to Video Inu worth around $40 a piece. To enter, all you have to do is leave a nice little comment below. YouTube is not associated with this contest. Please read the rules in the description.